Hey world, hope all is well. Data recovery guru here. They were working on this Seagate drive. It's an external drive. It belongs to a French customer in Needham, Massachusetts. Customer put in a request with us. We went ahead and picked it up directly from the customer as they are local. The customer provided us the power adapter, just this guy here, but they did not provide the USB cable. The customer says that they think it was a power related issue with the adapter, but once we have it here in our possession, we tested it, we connected the power, and we connected our own USB cable going to our PC here. The drive is recognizable, it mounts. We looked at here's the drive right here. It's a 8 terabyte Seagate hard drive. We look at the smart values. This looks okay, no issues. So far it works fine. We tested it. As you can see, the customer is using the drive on a Mac, so we are looking at the drive on a PC. So what we're going to do next is we are going to disconnect here, and we are going to test on the Mac to see if the actual drive works on a Mac as well, just so we can replicate any problems that the customer may have. So let me pause for a second. We're going to test on the Mac next. Alright, so here we are. Plug it into the Mac. Sorry about that. Need two hands. Okay, so it's plugged into the Mac. Let's see if it doesn't mount. Let's see. Come on. It's not mounting. Oh, there it is. Okay. So the drive works fine here too. Okay. The files are accessible. So the drive is fine. It works correctly. The customer said it's a power issue of some sort. The adapter works fine. The connection here, the port for the power works fine. If anything, the problem may have been a USB cable that the customer had. So with our USB cable, the drive works fine on a Mac and on a PC. So nothing wrong with this drive. We are going to give it back to the customer. We are going to give them a new USB cable, and there will be no charge. Hopefully they'll give us a good review. Alright, if you need professional help, all you gotta do is go to datarecoveryguru.com. On the homepage there, you're gonna see a blue button called Let's Start with a Free Diagnosis. Click on it, fill out the form, and we'll be in touch with you shortly after. Customers ship devices to us if you are out of state or too far from Boston, Massachusetts, or if you are local, we also provide free pickup service. All right, thanks so much. Have a nice day.